Get ready to get your case studies published with Gyanodaya. To reduce authors' weight while ensuring high-quality case studies, we have a 3-stage review process.
Stage 1: Initial quality control and formatting. Ensuring the case is on a real company dealing with real issue. Documents are plagiarism-free. Documents meet all the formatting guidelines of HBS standards. The consistency in formatting. The quality of image and figure resolution. Proper source citation. Necessary permissions are obtained from copyright holder for reproducing copyrighted content. Gyanodaya completes the initial quality control and informs authors within 7 working days from submission.
Stage 2: Assessment by faculty members. This stage is to have an overall assessment about the prospect of the case to give a quick feedback to authors. Here we evaluate relevance of the content, complexity of the decision-making dilemma discussed, coverage of the case, depth of the teaching note, proposed teaching plan, consistency in formatting, writing style. Process: evaluated by 2 faculty members. Rated on a 5-point scale. Scoring an average more than 3 are automatically moved to stage 3 with an intimation to authors. Scoring on average less than 3 are returned with feedback for improvement. Faculty assessment completed in 2 weeks.
Stage 3: Double-blind review. Thorough review focusing on relevance and currency, problem complexity, multiple perspectives or alternatives for class discussions, sufficiency of data provided for students to analyze the case. Teaching note includes classroom discussion questions, assessment questions with sufficient analysis. The analysis guides to the teaching objectives of the case. Writing quality. Process: reviewed by independent reviewers without knowledge of authors' identities. Feedback provided for necessary revisions. Revision and resubmission until standards are met. At this stage, your case will be accepted or rejected. Final acceptance communicated within 1 month of the final submission.
Common queries from case authors.
Do I need consent of the organization I am writing about?
If your case is a library case entirely based on published information, you do not need a permission from the company. However, you must provide citation as per APA style of all facts, data, objectives, claims, example any data-related claims, verbatim statements, etc. provided in the case. For reproducing a copyrighted table or figure or chart or graphs, you must collect written permission as per the Gyanodaya prescribed format. Else, you may substantially modify them while using. In such occasion, you still need to cite the original document. If your case is a field researched case, we require a consent as per the Gyanodaya prescribed format from the subject organization on their letterhead or with the company seal.
Do I need to cite sources?
Yes. Sources of all the secondary datas used should be mentioned. Please use footnotes or endnotes for source citations so that the texts are referenced at appropriate places.
Which all document should I submit? Title
page document, case study document, teaching note document, consent document in case of primary study, supplementary document if any. Please omit name of the authors from the case and teaching note documents as we send them for blind review.
Why are there so many stages in the process?
To reduce authors' waiting time and increase the chance of final acceptance of the case studies while ensuring high quality, pedagogically sound, and impactful case studies.
At every stage of the process, we are here to help you.
Ready to get started? Visit gyanodaya.iimk.ac.in.